Hi, I'm OC, President of Vertex Reliability. When it comes to conveyor belt repairs, they can be a real headache. When they break, it can bring your entire operation to a standstill, costing you time and money. That's where Rubberloc comes in. It's a unique and easy to use product designed specifically for cold and quick belt repair. Its formula and design make it incredibly strong and durable, ensuring a long-lasting repair. Replacing a belt can cost you anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000. And that's just the belt, not including the labor and the production losses. With Rubberloc, you don't have to worry about costly and time-consuming belt replacements. Rubberloc gets you back up and running in a fraction of the time for a fraction of the cost. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers are raving about how effective Rubberloc is for belt conveyor repairs. So if you're tired of dealing with the headaches of conveyor belt repairs, give Rubberloc a try. You'll be glad you did.